Welcome to Luma-Loft. In this tutorial, we will show you how to precisely edit your photo using our new Magic Edit tool. First, open the Tools menu and select Magic Edit. Now, click the Upload box to select and upload your image. Click the Paint button, then brush over the text on the top and bottom borders. This pink mask highlights the exact areas our AI will replace. In the description box, type add text Land of the Free in the top and Home of the Brave at the bottom, all caps. Click Generate and wait just a moment for the AI to process your image. Use the slider to compare your original and new text. Once you are happy with the result, click Download to save your image. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and follow us for more quick tutorials.